You searched how to buy shares of Singulus Technologies AG, a German engineering firm supplying production equipment for semiconductors, photovoltaics, and advanced coatings, and it trades on Xetra under the ticker SNG.DE. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy SNG.DE, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID document and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SNG.DE to find the listing. Make sure you select the correct Singulus Technologies AG stock from the search results. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm it matches Singulus Technologies AG. Check the market is Xetra and that the ticker displayed is SNG.DE. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled or rejected depending on type, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. Soft reminder, the link to eToro is in the video description if you want to follow this example.